In this video, we will show you how to place our Posy swag valance on the proper rod, as well as how to hang and style it. You will need a 2.5-inch continental rod to fit the 3-inch rod pocket. We suggest separating the rod into two parts to slide the valance on, then putting the rod back together. Once the rod is separated, begin placing it through the rod pocket and pulling the valance to the end. Be careful not to let it come off the other end by placing your hand there to hold the valance in place. When you have the valance all the way on, you will put the other half of the rod back together and move the valance down to cover the rod evenly. Adjust the fabric along and on top of the rod pocket. Fluff and pull the fabric on top to be sure that it is facing upward. You can adjust this further once it is hung. Once you have the valance on the rod, you will hang it. With our curtain rod, you simply snap it onto the brackets which were previously measured and hung. After your curtain rod is placed properly on the brackets, you can begin to style. Be sure that the valance wraps along the sides so that no part of the bracket is showing. Move the fabric so that it is evenly spaced on the rod. As you do this, pull on the fabric above the rod pocket to be sure the fabric isn't twisted and is in the correct position for styling. Once the valance is centered, you will want to focus on the fabric above the rod pocket. You can shape this area by placing 1 or 2 fingers behind the fabric and contouring the fabric around those fingers. The high quality fabric of our Posy valance will help hold the desired shape. Once you have the top fully styled, you will focus on the rest of the valance. Pull and shape the fabric along the bottom to be sure the design is prominently displayed. Adjust as needed until you have reached your desired look. Our Posy swag valance has coordinating bedding options as well as other curtain pieces to create a cohesive space. All of our exclusively designed Posy products are embellished with crochet and chain stitch embroidery. Please explore our website to see these styles as well as many others, and let us help you create a home like no other.